When we start a new Node.js project, we have a lot of dependencies such as libraries, tools, and so on that we need to manage. And for that, we are using a npm node package manager. Let's take this example. For example, let's say that in this case, we are a starting project, right? And the first command that we are running in order to start a project is to npm init y. So what it does is it creates a package JSON for us, and it keeps tracks of projects, dependencies, scripts, metadata, etc. The next one is that we have is npm install test app. So what it does is we are installing our app, right? We are starting our project. So in this case, what it does is it creates a folder, node modules, where we are storing our actual dependencies, libraries, and so on. And the next one, it creates a package log JSON. So what's the difference between the package JSON and the package log JSON? The difference is, for example, in this case, let's say we are defining a dependency express with the version of the 4.18. In the package log, it fixes it logs the exact version of that library, exact version of that tool that we are using. So for example, in this case, it fixes the 4.18 and 2, the version of the express that we are going to use. The next tool that we have in our toolbox is Node Version Manager, NVM. So let's say that globally we have installed a Node version of the 18, and for our specific project we want to use a Node version of 16. So for that, what we do is we are installing, so we are running a command nvm install 16. It will install for us a Node version of 16, and then with the next command nvm use 16. So we are in that directory for that specific project. Now we are using Node version of 16. The next command that we have is npx. npx stands for the Node package execute. So what it does is it allows to run packages directly without installing them globally. So the perfect example for it would be a create React app. So let's say that we are starting a new React app, and we are using a create React app CLI tool in order to start it. So why we should use instead of using the npm install, why we should use the npx? The difference would be that, so what npx will do in our case, npx will download create React app temporarily, and the next one is it will install the React project inside our my app folder, and after that it will delete the tool afterwards. So we don't have to install that in our we don't have to store that in our machine, right? So, and the advantages of using the npx over the npm in this case and in many other cases is that it has no leftover tool on your machine. That's the first one, and probably the biggest advantage. The next one is always gets the latest version of the whatever tool that you're using. In our case is React app, and it's perfect for one-time or quick start setups.